Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect a relay module to a Node MCU ESP8266. This is super useful if you want to control home appliances like lights, fans, or any AC device using IoT. Part 1. How to connect relay module to Node MCU. First, IN connect to D5. Second, ground connect to G. Third, VCC connect to 3 volts. Part 2. How to connect light to a relay module. Black wire connect to COM and white wire connect to NO. Now check the project. Many relay modules use active low. Low, relay on. High, relay off. This is normal. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more IoT projects. Comment below what tutorial you want next. See you in the next video.